What's going on YouTube? So in this video, I'm going to talk about 7 passive income ideas that you can get started with in 2020. Now, all these can potentially make you between $500 and $1,000 per month without even doing anything. Now, obviously you have to put in work in the beginning to make this work, but the potential to make passive income is out there, guys. So I'm really excited to bring this video to you guys. I want to show you exactly how I make passive income. Now, if you are new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles. And on this channel, I teach you how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing, but I have a ton of methods on how to make money online, how to drive traffic, and how to grow your YouTube channel. So if you're interested in that, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and give me a comment. Now, I just started something brand new, and this is something that I mentioned in my Facebook group. I wanted to start shouting people out on my YouTube. I want to help you guys grow. You know, as a small YouTuber, I remember it was hard for me to grow in the beginning. So I want to start shouting people out at the beginning of my videos. So the way we're going to do that is whoever comments on this video, I'm going to shout them out. I'm going to pick somebody and I'm going to shout them out on the next video that I post. Okay. So I started that on the last video. So I'm going to go ahead and shout out Trish Boyd online. She's actually one of my one-on-one students, and I wanted to shout her out. She has an amazing channel, guys, so please subscribe to her channel. And if you do want to be shouted out on the next video, please comment on this video below. I'm going to pick a random winner pretty much every single video. So let's go ahead and get started with the actual video on passive income. Now, the first method on how to make passive income is credit cards. Okay, so credit card rewards. Okay, so this one's kind of a touchy subject because a lot of people go into credit card debt. Now, you got to be really careful with this method. If you're not good with your money, if you don't know how credit cards work, don't do this. But I've made a lot of money with credit cards, guys, because so if you go to creditcards.com, basically you can apply for new cards. Okay, like for example, if you were to apply for this one, you're gonna get 50,000 intro bonus points, which is about, I believe that's about $500 back into your account. Now, here's the thing that's kind of tricky. Okay, so it says if you spend $3,000 within the first 3 months, then they're going to give you the $500 back. So here's the thing. You can't just go spend $3,000. It's got to be $3,000 of things that you're already spending, like groceries, restaurants, gas, stuff like that. Okay. So I do this a lot. You know, I still do this actually. Like if I'm going on a new vacation, I'll get a brand new card. I'll throw the whole vacation on the card, and I'm gonna get that money back. Okay. The biggest reward I've ever gotten is like $1,000, and that's because I think the intro was to spend over $6,000, and it was actually an online course that I bought. I knew I was gonna buy the course, so I got the brand new card, and then I got that money back. So this is a great way to do it. If you go to creditcards.com, there's a ton of cards here that you can potentially get a ton of money back, and this is a great way to kind of, if you're gonna use your card anyways, you might as well get some money back. Like I said, though, if you're not good with your cards, if you're not good at paying them on time, do not do this method because it'll mess you up in the long term. Okay, just letting you know. All right, number 2, guys, is reseller hosting. Okay, so people need websites. Everyone's going online. Businesses need websites. So what you can do is you can buy you can go to InMotion Hosting. You can buy one of these shared hosting plans, and basically you can pretty much share your IP address to other people. Okay. So you can pretty much, spend about, I think it's like $25 a month, and you can, charge $5-10 each person. You can have like up to 20 people. That's an easy $200 a month, $200 to $400, even $500 a month, depending on how much you want to charge. So this is a great way to do it. You obviously have to go find people so you can help them, or so you can have them hosted on your website. But, this is a great way to do it, okay? Number 3, guys, is Airbnb, okay? I've talked about this before, but this is really a great method because if you have an extra room in your house, if if you're leaving for the week, even if you're, gone for, at someone else's house or whatever it is, guys, you can rent out like a space or the whole house with Airbnb. And this is a great way to make money, guys. You can make a lot of money with Airbnb just with an extra room. Most people have an extra room that they can rent out. So if you go to Airbnb Airbnb.com/host/homes, you can literally start renting out your home, and it'll tell you exactly how much you can make. It'll give like an estimated price based on your location. But yeah, Airbnb is an awesome place, guys. I've used it before. I've rented out a space in my home before I had my newborn, and we were making a decent amount of money. Now, I was in like a smaller location. I actually live in Albuquerque, New Mexico. It's a smaller city, but I was still making passive income because you're literally not doing anything. I mean, you can hire someone to go clean for you. Most of the time, people are pretty good about it. I mean, you just pretty much got to do some basic cleaning and pretty easy. It's really a passive income stream. Okay. Okay, number 4 is writing a book. So if you go to Kindle KDP, basically this is direct publishing. So you can literally write an ebook, put it on this website, and you can have a book in literally like a couple days. So I actually did this back in the day when I was doing fitness stuff. My wife and I wrote actually 2 books. Here's one of them here. This was one we wrote here. It's actually still on Amazon. It still makes us money. I don't know why it's not pulling up here. But basically, we wrote 2 fitness books. One was a keto ebook and intermittent fasting, and one was on how to lose weight. So, that's a great way to make money, guys, because you can literally throw it on Amazon. People are searching for these books, and you can make a ton of money passively. I mean, we still get checks from this book, okay? And I don't know why it's not pulling up, but yeah, here we go. Here we go. So, The Truth About Intermittent Fasting. So we were selling it for, $9, and we had a lot of people buy this book because, at the time, keto and intermittent fasting was super, super popular, and people were just buying this book. We have another book that was similar to this. I think it was called 7 Ways to Lose Weight or something like that. But you can see here that this was written by my wife and I. At the time. So anyways, that's a great way to kind of make money, guys. And what's cool is you don't even have to write the book yourself. You can hire someone on like iWriter, Fiverr, Upwork. You can literally pay someone a couple $100. You can throw the book on Amazon KDP and you can start making money. It's a great way to make money, guys, because it's pretty easy to do. Okay. Especially if you outsource it. Okay. All right. The next way is Google AdSense. Okay. So basically a YouTube channel. Okay. So you can see here, I was just monetized about a month ago exactly. And you can see here, I've already made about $785 in the month. Okay. Now I do have a high CPM rate, which means how much I get paid per view. I get paid about $50,000 per 1,000 views. Okay. That's what CPM means. Now this obviously takes longer. Because like I said, some methods do take longer. You have to put the work in the beginning. I spent time making my YouTube videos, growing my audience, and now it's paying back. Now I'm making, almost $1,000 a month, which it should grow as my YouTube channel grows, as my views increase. Obviously I'm going to get paid more money, right? So that's the cool thing about Google AdSense is, once I get paid for the month, this income will go straight to my Google AdSense account and it'll go straight to my bank account. This is a great way to make money, guys. I'm really excited because I just got monetized on YouTube. And if you want to check out that video, I have a video on how I got monetized, so you can check that out. Okay. So the next one, guys, is actually really, really lucrative. And I'm going to start getting into the methods where you can start making some real big money. Okay. The methods I talked about before, you can make money, and I've done them all, but moving forward, this is how you make the big money. Okay. This is how you can scale this to the millions. Okay. So this is going to be called digital courses. Okay. So you can literally create a course on what you're passionate about. For me, I created a course on Clickfunnels here. So I actually have a course on Udemy. I also created, like I said, I used to do fitness stuff, which actually we still do. This is kind of like a course, but basically we have in here, we created like videos on how to work out, stuff like that. So, we put the work in the beginning. So like you can see here, we put the work in the beginning here, and we have a ton of like videos, and we have some documents on how to, work out. Okay. So this is something that we did in the beginning. Obviously it took a lot of work. But guys, once you create a digital course, you can literally just, make a ton of money. All you got to do is get people to that course, and then you're going to make money. Okay. So this is something that, my wife and I created about a year ago, and, it still brings us money every single month because it's basically a membership plan where people get weekly workout plans, stuff like that. Okay. So this is something we created, and it's called the Lions Pack. Obviously, this was like, it took a while to create, but this is monthly income. Okay. So that's what I want you to understand is if you create a course, you can make a ton of money. Now, Where you can do it on Udemy. Udemy is okay. This is kind of for beginners because what happens is Udemy charges really low for their courses, but it's a great way to start, you know. But if you want to like create like a course where you can charge, you know, hundreds of dollars, even thousands, I recommend creating a course on Clickfunnels. This is where we created this one, and this is where you can really charge, you know, a premium for your time. Okay. So anyways, that is number 6. Okay. Number 7 is how I make a lot of money online, guys. This is called affiliate marketing. This is actually how I make most of my income with my channel. Okay. So with affiliate marketing, what I do is I sell other people's products. Okay. So let me show you an example here. And this is really cool because this is passive income. Okay. So let me go here. So you can see that, you know, I'm making about $977 per month. This is reoccurring income, guys. Okay. So the cool thing with this is, you know, once I get people to sign up for a certain product or software that I recommend, these are products that I use, you know, I'm going to get paid every single month. Now, there's a ton of products and services that I recommend, okay, with affiliate marketing because, you know, I use a ton of things and I use a ton of software and I use a ton of, there's a ton of courses that I recommend. So guys, that is how I make most of my money, is with affiliate marketing. And that's how I was able to grow my YouTube channel as well, because I was teaching affiliate marketing. Okay. So, you know, eventually that, you know, I'm going to get out of affiliate marketing. I'm going to start creating my own course, but affiliate marketing is like the best way to get started. If you're trying to, you know, start making money online, if you're not YouTube monetized and you want to start making money, you know, this is what I teach my students, guys. Like, you don't need to get monetized to make money. That's not even the best way to make money. I mean, obviously this, you know, being monetized is awesome. It's extra money here. Okay. But if you really want to make money, guys, I recommend affiliate marketing because it teaches you how to market. It teaches you how to really, you know, how to promote a product. And once you promote a product that you believe in and you recommend, you can eventually create your own product, your own digital course, stuff like that. So affiliate marketing is honestly the best way to make money online. It's the easiest way anyone can get started. If you are interested in learning how to do affiliate marketing, check out the first link in the description, guys. It's going to teach you in 15 days. It's going to show you how to start an affiliate marketing business from beginning to end. Like I said, that's the best way to make money online if you want to, you know, passively, because you're literally just recommending products and people will buy them and you're going to get monthly reoccurring income, because this is, guys, this is passive. This money right here it goes to my bank account every single month. Okay. So anyways, I hope this video was of value to you guys. And like I said, I'm going to be shouting people out on my YouTube channel now. So please leave a comment below. And like I said, if you comment, I'm going to pick a winner and I'm going to shout you guys out on my next video. And as you know, I post videos almost every single day. So, you know, it gives you more of a chance to get on, you know, get shouted out. And as I grow, as I get more people on my YouTube channel, you know, that's going to be more eyes to your channel as well. So it'll help me grow. It'll help you grow. And I think it's a great way to give back to my community. You guys have been awesome. I love you guys. I want to get to 10K as soon as possible. So let's do it. Let me know what your favorite method is and what have you tried before. And I'll talk to you guys soon.